Hello guys, what's going on? Have you ever stuck at the boot loop? Boot loop? What is that? So you maybe don't know what a boot loop is. So I'll tell you in this video what a boot loop is and how to fix when you are stuck at the boot loop. So without wasting time, let's get started. Hey guys, it's Ujjwal back with another video with the topic how to fix stuck at boot loop. So you may not know what a boot loop is.
Hello, Moto.
But I told you right now what a boot loop is. So without wasting time, let's get started how to fix that.
So guys, let's start. So as you can see, I have here my phone. Okay, so in order to fix the boot loop, let me show you. Let me first turn off my phone. Okay, so first turn off your phone, or if you have a removable battery, then you take it out and again reinsert it. And to go to the recovery, now you have to press this power button and both the volume buttons. Okay, so let me just do it. So this is the recovery method, how you can fix when you are stuck at boot loop. So this is a very easy method. So this is my custom recovery. So let me show you that if you don't have this kind of interface, but the function is the same, but in the custom recovery you have some advanced options. So let me show you if you have a stock recovery. In Motorola devices, if you don't know how to boot into recovery mode, I have already made a video on it, so you can check it out. So here you can see there is a power button and the volume button. So in Motorola devices this is a little different. In newer devices like Motorola E and Moto G series. Okay, so press and hold this power button and the volume down button simultaneously at the same time. Press and hold this power button and volume down button at once. So hold it when you see your phone is turned on. Okay, here you can see your phone has been turned on. Oh man, let me show you. It is factory mode, so you have to navigate here. You can navigate from here also, maybe not. So you have to navigate through the volume buttons. So I'm using volume button. So here I have selected here recovery mode, as you can see, and to select this you have to press the power menu. So press this and you will enter in the recovery mode. Okay, so after doing this, you will see this kind of interface. It's to fix this, you have to press the power button, okay, and press the up button, I mean volume plus button. So in this way you can unlock the recovery menu. So to fix this, you have to go to here. You can see there are a bunch of options, okay. So first what you have to do is you have to clear the cache partition, okay. So let's select the cache partition, wipe cache partition, and it is cleared. So as you can see here, there is a message saying that wiping cache, formatting data, cache wipe complete. So if this didn't help you, then you have to do a factory reset. So you may be not be ready to do this because there is a data in your phone. So there is also an option. Here is the option, as you can see, backup user data. For that you must have an empty SD card, I mean memory card, so that where you can backup your data, and after that, if when your phone will get fixed, you can restore the data from here. So here there is backup user data, and select the power button to backup your data. So here you can see SD card free space is 2576 MB and user data allocated is 1. So it says SD card didn't have enough free space, so you must have an empty SD card, as I mentioned earlier, and it may be very depending on how much space you have used in your internal, okay. So if this also didn't help you, then you have to flash a new firmware, okay. So you have to flash the new firmware. And if you don't know how to do it, I'll make a video on it, and I have made a video about how to flash MTK firmwares, so you can check that out. So now if you are a rooted user, okay, so if you are a rooted user, you may have this kind of interface, and here you will see there is an advanced option. So first thing is you have to, if you have already rooted your phone, and first go on with this option. There is advanced option, and here is there you can see cache, and here you can see Delvic art and cache. So tick these both options and swipe to wipe. So another thing is, if you have a backup of your ROM already, then you can go to restore and select storage where you have kept your backup, and click on OK and select what else you want to restore. And if you want to restore all things, then check mark it, all the options, and swipe to restore. So I'm not going to do because my phone is already okay. And if you have a newly installed custom recovery like TWRP or CWM recovery, then you have to go to the advanced, and here you will see disable DM verify. So that is the option that disable the DM verity. So after also doing that, if your phone didn't get fixed, then, and if you don't have options like me, there is nothing, then go to install, and if you have lazy flasher or no verity off, then you can select and swipe to flash it. Okay, sometimes this instruction don't help you, so what you have to do is you have to root the phone. Yes, you have to root your phone because you have installed the custom recovery, and it will not boot up because the boot image is not patched with your custom recovery. So to patch with rooted, to patch with TWRP or your root manager, what is that, if you have installed Magisk or Super SU, then you can patch with that also. So here as you can see, Magisk is there, and you have to flash, and whatever routing you want, systemless root or in system root, then if you want systemless, then you can install Magisk, and if you don't, then you can install Super, any of you. So what will this do? So it will patch your boot image with TWRP or the root manager. And if it didn't help you with this also, then you don't have any option except doing a factory reset or flashing a new firmware using your PC. So you can't do it because it is totally bricked. So this was the guide how to fix a boot loop for rooted users and non-rooted users. I hope you guys liked it.
So guys, this was the way to fix when you are stuck at boot loop, and if you have any more options how to fix boot loop, then you can tell me so that I can also know how to fix that. Thanks for watching this, guys. If you liked it, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you got help, make sure you do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. And if you have any problems with you that I should make video on it, so that you can comment me down below in the comment box. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you in the next video.